we put this equation in the calculator, and remember we were looking for x equals 12 and x equals 40. And how do I know that it's x? Because if I look at the y-axis, it says the number of people. Alright, so the bell just rang, so hopefully it doesn't interrupt us on this next part. Okay, so you have a no correlation. How do I know there's no correlation? They're scattered all over the place. So this is a no correlation, which means I really can't answer any of these questions. There's zero correlation. I can't estimate anything because there's nothing to estimate. So that's all we're going to leave it at. We're going to put no correlation or no association. Alright, so let's take a look at this next one. So I'm looking at a table with the years and cases. Now, when you put this in stat, you don't want to start with 1995 because it's going to give you this weird number. So we actually start, instead of saying 1995, we call that year 0. So I'm going to put 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So how did I get that? Well, that's 2 years away, that's 2 years away from that, and so on. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I'm going to put 906, 971, 683, 664, and 387. So I'm going to go stat over 4. Okay, so here are my numbers. Now, does it make sense that the slope is negative? Well, if you look, the numbers are going down, so that makes perfect sense. Okay, so y equals negative 55.25. My correlation coefficient, oh, that didn't finish, x plus 895.2. My correlation coefficient is negative 0.94 because I'm rounding to the second decimal point. That turns into a 4 instead of a 3. So it rounds up. Alright, so what kind of strength is that? That is a strong negative. Okay, so let's take a look. -5, and you'll probably hear the tardy bell in just a few minutes. We'll work past that. Okay, so we're going to go to second graph. We're looking for year 2000. So year 2000 would actually be our 5th year. So here's 2000. So we're going to go to 5. What is it at year 5? We're going to round to the nearest whole case, so it's 619. All right, so in 2006, so 2004 would be year 9, year 10 would be 2005, year 11 would be 06. So we're looking for year 11. We're rounding to the nearest whole number, so this is 287. Okay, so just to clarify, again, put the points in the calculator, got an equation, it's a strong negative, and I just put those years. In this case, this was year 5, and this was year 11. So you are going to do the others on your own.